Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about... well, it's garbage. Bound into comics. Activision, Blizzard, and the King... And the King? No, and King. Develop new tool to measure character diversity in video games. Oh, God. Well, this thing came out on, I think, on Friday, when I became aware of this garbage. And it wasn't necessarily from Bound into Comics, but I'm gonna go and use Bound into Comics into this because it's bad. And let's just say that the website that they used to announce this, they thought they were going to get praises from the usual suspects, but some of them actually did go and say, too far. And I'm gonna go and say it. Let's just say that Nazis will definitely love this garbage because it just got like this in their funny place. Because it's, 1 second. It's just something that they love. I mean, fuck me. It's identity politics gone to the excess. Let's see, what's this? This is one of the screenshots. They actually did take it out of the website. Let's see. Race, age, cognitive ability, physical ability, body type, facial features, gender identity, sexual orientation, and socioeconomic background. Oh, for the love of God. Let's see. As a result, let's see what they say. Hopefully, we will create more characters that break the mold and better represent women, and non-binaries and other underrepresented minorities in the industry. Quote, the Diversity Space Tool is a measurement device to help identify how diverse a set of character traits are, and in turn, how diverse that character and cuts are when compared to the norm, end quote. Oh, for the love of God. Stupid it comes. Quote, once it establishes a baseline for typical character traits, which is done by the creative team working closely with the... It can then weight the new character design against its measures the oh, for the love of Jesus Christ. Quote, during the process, the tool can also uncover unconscious bias, such as why certain traits are seen as male and female, and why characters from certain ethnic backgrounds are given... You think this is actually good? Fuck me. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. 1 second. Fucking allergies. What? The problem is that... Oh, for the love of... They actually didn't even take most of this stuff that... this is why people... This is why you archive shit. Fuck me. Fuck me. We are going out of the out of the way to actually look. Identity politics hasn't worked before. It will never work, and trust me, it will not work this time if you try it again. Stop being so goddamn fucking stupid. Identity politics doesn't work. This is a good example. Age. So basically it's old race, because it's brown. That's what they are going with. So if you're white, it's going to go here. If you're black, it's going to go there. So her race, it's not enough. Culture, because she is diverse, so it's going to go there. cognitive ability, so she's normal. She's not nuts, so she's not gonna receive good. Point. Physical ability, I'm unsure about that one. She's skinny, so it's gonna go on a 0. You undiverse bastard! Gender identity. She's a woman Ixon, so she gets about half. If she was binary, gay, lesbians, probably transgender, it's gonna go up in here. Sexual orientation. Oh, for the love of God. She's probably straight, so... Oh, Jesus Christ, I don't even know anymore what are oh, God. Culture. So she's not, what, facial features. So they consider her somewhat pretty. I consider her below average. So for me, she would go here. Because it's diverse being ugly. Oh, for the love of God. And they actually didn't even take most of the stuff that was special. Oh, for the love of God. This is... This is... No, you idiots. This is why you actually go and archive it. Look, I'm gonna go and show it to you. They actually edited it out. Those screenshots were actually shared on the website. Activision fucking retarded Blizzard. King's Diversity Space 2. And they added actually an editor's note. Pacific Standard Time. Fuck me. Oh, look. They actually edited it out. All of it. How bad it is. They even backtracked it. It's just... I just do not understand what the fuck is wrong with these people. They try to be... You really think this is going to work this time? Has never worked and has always led to genocide. They do not. You know what? On that goddamn fucking hell, have a great fucking night.